No, they were not. As soon as they heard Alex, they said, fuck that shit.
When them birds heard me hit that call, that is the only reason why they're still in this county. Oh my God, he was cupped. Shoot him.
I got him on my third.
Oh, look at that skip, boys.
Straight
Let's go
under,
get him.
Straight under. Go, let's go.
Shoot him. Keep your eyes on him.
You're gonna have to go that way. He's gonna go that way a long way.
Reload while if somebody can. Oh, right side. Okay, he's back down.
Gotta be running out of fucking breath, you think? Alex, it's all you.
I'm watching way right.
There he is.
Okay, we gotta move.
Don't blow fucking.
Someone's gotta watch behind us. There. Missed. Y'all missed. You were way left. Carson was right. You guys were left.
I never shot.
Too late. Too late.
I mean, how the fuck are we gonna kill it?
You pretty much gotta be aiming right where it pops up.
30 yards. Gonna be probably to the right a little bit.
Hang on with that movement.
Right there. Nope.
That was fast, but he did not come up high enough. Fucking game of peekaboo with this guy.
System needs to fuck off.
I'm loving it.
I'm not.
Dollar, 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 dollar.
Right there.
You missed by a mile.
That was the closest shot you're gonna have. Oh my god.
Now this is the money pit.
We'll give him about 3 more shots. Was he that close to the boat?
Oh! He went under the boat. He's right next to the fucking boat. It's a hen. Shoot that fucker, Alex. Come up by Alex. Oh!
I missed. Oh, there it was.
Bubbled.
Yep. Missed.
That was me.
Get ready again.
Just let Ashton shoot.
You got geese.
Hey, Goose.
Don't let him get the door though.
Yeah, don't let him get away. I think that might be it. Them were good opportunities right there, and we all fucked up.
Especially I did. Holy.
I think that's it.
Should have shot that fucker right under the boat. I was trying. I never saw it. I could see it swimming. I'm like, oh, this.
Oh, that's
there
her.
it is.
That's her.
Go get it. Go get it. Alex.
To the left.
Still?
Oh, it
ripple.
just bubbled right there.
You gotta hit it. You missed. Yeah! Again! Again! Again!
Oh, they're cutting down their decoys. Where? They cut them off.
I don't know.
Them.
They're coming back at us. One up high. Where'd them two go? Come around. Come around. Drake's on the left. Low left. Taking him?
No.
Yep.
Yep.
No, no, no.
Oh, it's happening.
When I'm already standing up and you say no, I'm shooting.
I said no, but it was fucking crazy.
No, they're way far now.
They were the same distance.
No, they
you
weren't.
shot. Yeah, they were.
I don't play that game stand up. No, 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 no. Well, I'm already standing
I
up.
tried
Ashton
saying
said,
no.
should we shoot? And I see people start to stand, and then I said, no, no, no.
I heard shoot. That's all I heard was,
Halfway- I
was
was
shoot.
halfway
So I'm like,
outside.
well, all right, I'm in.
Alex was up on
He
it.
said, should we shoot? And I said, no, no, no.
Who said no? I didn't hear no, no, no.
I heard no.
We both said.
All I heard was shoot, and I'm like, okay. Do we want to fold the blind down and pick them up, or leave them up?
I think hold it down.
Okay.
What?
What just happened?
Nothing.
Was there a bird?
No.
I see one over there.
Big, white. Great.
I legit thought there was a bird.
So did I.
All right, suck your side in the front.
Birds flying around.
Because I really thought I heard wings, and then you were like, boom! I was like, what?
No.
What happened?
really don't matter right now. We're not gonna use the long lines again, so.
You ain't gonna use that feeder hen again either.
I would love to take a picture of these sinking, but they're pretty much gone. All right.
The one is gone.
The one is gone.
That one's a new feeder hen.
By next late season, you may want to upgrade with some foam.
Where's the bags?
Oh, right there. I don't know what that was, but I hope we still have a forward gear.
I hope so too.
Oh boy.
Never done that.
Oh, you know what it is? It's the fucking rope to that long line. Oh no, it's the rope to my anchor.
Got him! Got him!
Whoops.
We forgot to put that up between the Yes, sir. Just put them in the bag. That's all you gotta do. Put them in the bag. You need a knife? No, I don't know. Why you're gonna do it.
I got it. It helps when you pull the anchor into the boat.
Set it on your fucking little buddy eater.
Aha! We're back in action. Anchor overboard. Still got the anchor.
I can't believe you have it still. Probably got a couple nicks in the line.
Yeah, might need a line upgrade. It literally did one wrap around the prop.
The rope is out of the boat. It just landed in the boat.
It did one wrap around the prop and locked the freaking motor up. And that's all it was. It wasn't even tangled. Oh, look at the water coming out of there.